Good morning, friends. I am Dr. S.K. Sinha discussing reactions of carbene. Three types of reactions in carbene will be discussing here. First, addition reaction. Second, insertion reaction. And third, ring expansion reaction. In addition reaction, we will see two types of reaction: stereospecific addition by singlet carbene and non-stereospecific addition of triplet carbene. Singlet carbene will give stereospecific product and triplet carbene will give non-stereospecific product. Stereospecific product means a certain product, a specific product with certain configuration is formed. Okay, we will discuss later on. Just 1 minute after. Second is insertion reaction. Here also we will discuss one step insertion by singlet carbene and two step insertion by triplet carbene. In addition reaction, also stereospecific is one step reaction and non-stereospecific addition of triplet carbene is two step reaction. Here also in insertion reaction, singlet carbene will give one step insertion and triplet carbene will give two step insertion. And third one is ring expansion reaction. First of all, we will see addition reaction. It is cis isomer, cis olefin, and it is singlet carbene. Here this is pi bond and this pi bond is formed by two electrons and these two electrons are of opposite spin. Means electron with spin with clockwise spin and electron with anti-clockwise spin. Here it is singlet carbene. It also possesses electron with clockwise spin and electron with anti-clockwise spin. Okay. Then what will happen? Here electron with clockwise spin will interact with this electron with anti-clockwise spin, and this electron with anti-clockwise spin will interact with this electron with clockwise spin, and so this breaking of bond on and making of bond will take place simultaneously, and so this transition state is formed, and that's why we say that this reaction is one step reaction. Here transition state is formed, and also we should underline here that it is olefin, cis olefin. These two are alkyl are in same direction, and these two are in same direction. Means cis olefin will give cis product. It is trans. These two alkyl are in opposite side. It is trans olefin, and it is singlet carbene in the similar fashion. From same side, this methylene attacks from this side, this methylene attacks from this side. Okay. Simultaneously breaking of this pi bond and making of the new bond, two new bonds take place simultaneously, and this product is formed via formation of transition state. Here it is trans olefin and this product is also trans. Means trans olefin produces trans product and cis olefin produces cis product. Okay. Second one is non-stereospecific addition of triplet carbene. Must underline here, singlet carbene gives stereospecific addition and triplet carbene gives non-stereospecific addition. One thing more we should underline, singlet carbene, addition of singlet carbene is one-step reaction and addition of triplet carbene is two-step reaction. Here this is cis olefin and this is triplet carbene. First of all, this pi bond breaks. It is step 1. This pi bond breaks leading to this diradical. Okay. Then this diradical may proceed through two paths. First is spin inversion, means this electron may change its spin itself. This is clockwise spin, this is anti-clockwise spin. Okay. Here this pi bond breaks and this triplet carbene gets attached with this carbon in this fashion. Means suppose this carbon, when this pi bond breaks, this carbon will possess an electron, one free electron with clockwise spin. Suppose here, and this electron possess electron with one odd electron, one unpaired electron with opposite spin. Again, when this pi bond breaks, this carbon will possess, suppose, free electron with clockwise spin, and this carbon will possess free electron with anti-clockwise spin. This anti-clockwise spin and this clockwise spin electron interacts, giving rise to this. Now, in second step, it is step 2. Two phenomena may occur. First, spin inversion, second, bond rotation. In spin inversion, we are looking here. This electron having clockwise spin changes into anti-clockwise spin. This. Then, this electron will recombine with this electron. It is anti-clockwise spin and it is clockwise spin, leading to this product. Okay. Here, these two alkyl are in same side, and also here, these two alkyl are in same side. Why it is so? Because here only this electron has changed its speed to react with this electron. So, there is no change in configuration. But in bond rotation, suppose this bond is rotating, carbon rotates in this manner. This bond rotates so as to give electron with anti-clockwise spin. This electron is with clockwise spin and this electron is with anti-clockwise spin. And when this carbon rotates or this bond rotates, configuration of this carbon changes into this. Here R is up H is down. Here R is down and H is up. So, as configuration has changed, we will expect changed product of changed configuration. Okay. Here this electron is anti-clockwise spin, it is clockwise spin. These two electrons will react together, giving rise to this product. So here we see that this alkyl is down, this alkyl is down, means these two alkyl, when this carbon rotates or this bond rotates, this H will go up, R will come down. Okay, H. Okay friends, here R up, H down, R up, H down, H up, R down. Configuration of R and H has changed. Okay, because this carbon has been rotated. Okay, but here R up, H down, R up, H down. Here by mistake we have written H up, R down. Okay, so this R will up, H will down. When R will at up, then this R will be trans. So the product will be trans. Already it is, the reactant is cis and the here product is trans. This product is cis, this product is trans. So we will see here that if we take cis olefin, the product will be cis and trans both. Now it is okay friends. Okay, insertion reaction. Here one step insertion of singlet carbene. This singlet carbene will insert anywhere. It is primary carbon and it is secondary carbon, it is tertiary carbon. Anywhere this insertion can take place. But a triplet carbene has a choice. It is two-step insertion and it will insert at primary carbon preferentially because that is not crowded. Secondary carbon is more crowded, tertiary carbon is more crowded. Therefore, triplet carbene will insert preferentially at primary carbon. Ring expansion. Third reaction is we will see preparation of chloropyridine from pyrrole. It is chloroform and it is a strong base. First carbene is produced and then it will attack here, leading to this. Okay, indole to quinoline. It is quinoline and these two will produce first this carbene, chlorocarbene, leading to this and finally leading to this product. My thought is, better teacher does not come from a political mandate. It comes from a prepared and caring teacher. Thank you. See you again.